is we're gonna get straight into it. So the ponytail I'm wearing, I got from my local beauty supply store. It's a drawstring ponytail. I'm using the new Eco Styler gel, as well as their Cream of Nature styling snot, and of course some brushes and some hair ties. So this is the ponytail. It's a drawstring ponytail, and I'll probably talk about it a little bit later more in detail. This is the one I'm using, and if you like, I will leave the link below. Again, I purchased it from my local beauty supply store, and they actually have an online website. Now the trick I'm getting ready to do is an awesome trick that I learned for a sleek ponytail. This basically allows you to get your ponytail as sleek as possible. I'm using Organic Grow, their mango leave-in conditioner. And again, my hair is actually freshly washed. In fact, it is a little damp, which normally I would not do this on damp hair. I like for my hair to be completely dry. But for the sake of the video, and also just for the sake of needing a new style, I am doing it on slightly damp hair. So what you're seeing me do now is section my hair. This allows me to be able to detangle and also sleek my hair down as much as possible. I'm just detangling it with my wet brush, focusing on the ends. I know you see those roots. I know I need to touch up. And now I am pulling the hair, the second section of hair into the bottom ponytail. So that is the second part. And now I'm getting to the last section. Now this part actually went into the bathroom because this is very important, because I wanted a nice swoop. And I'm sorry if I have a raspy voice, it's the morning. So now I'm just detangling the front part. I parted my hair to create a nice swoop, adding a lot of gel. And I did not use gel in the back part just because I didn't feel like it was necessary, but of course you can. And this new gel by Eco Styler, it smells so good. It kind of reminds me of Tide, like laundry detergent, yes. Okay, so now I am trying to get this last part in. This part is probably the most difficult. In fact, I probably could have made the middle section a little bigger so I didn't have as much room to work with in front, but oh well, I'm doing the best I can. And I'm using my regular brush to smooth it out. I know for some naturals that brush is a no-no, but it works well for me. My arms hurt. So now I'm taking the styling snot. I try to use that product last because this stuff gets your hair so hard. It's like cement almost. No, it's not difficult washing out at all. But I also work out on my lunch break, and I need something very hard that will keep my hair in place, because the Eco Styler gel, I usually sweat it out. So I'm just doing a big braid. As you can see, I don't know why I have a piece of lace on my shirt from a wig. I don't know where that came from. So I'm just tucking in my big braid now. My bun feels, or my ponytail feels pretty smooth. I am tying my hair up with a little scarf, and I'm doing my edges. First, I'm applying the Eco Styler gel since it's more, I guess, wet. And this will help me to lay my baby hairs, my edges. And I'm using this brush for my edges because it's softer. And as you know, we have to be very gentle with our baby hairs. So I just let this sit for like 30 minutes. And now I'm putting my ponytail on. I just want to make sure that it looks good before I go to bed. So putting the drawstring ponytail in. And of course, I have another ponytail I would like to review. So if you guys want me to go more in detail how a drawstring ponytail looks, I can do that. So after I tied the ponytail in, I just took a little bit of hair from the bottom and I wrapped it around so that you couldn't see where it starts. And now I'm putting my scarf on. Now I'm going to bed. All right, guys, so it is the next morning. I don't know if I'm going to put my install video on the second half or the first half, but either way, this is the next morning. And this is my ponytail. Can I just start off by saying I am so here. Sorry, this light. Okay, here we go. I am so here for the drawstring era coming back. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, in 7th and 8th grade, hit the quad, hit the quad, hit the quad. You could not tell me nothing with my ponytail. Oh my goodness. I would save my little dollars. And at my local beauty supply store, it was $7.49. I saved every dollar for that. Let me just tell you. So I am so excited for it coming back. And yeah, so I do want to play with some more. The only thing I don't like about this hair, which is completely my fault, is it's a little dark. I don't know if you can really see, which to me, if you don't get a semi-close color with synthetic hair, to me it looks like more fake, you know? That's the only thing. But I don't know, I feel like I'm about to get my life today. Like, I think I'm about to go to work. Like, what? Yes, sure is. It's Pony. Do you have a problem? Sorry, y'all, I have to drink my little morning drink. And I can do a video about this if y'all are curious. But it's lemon, turmeric, maca extract, apple cider vinegar, spring water. I think that's it. Not bad. Ooh, that packs a powerful punch. So yeah, guys, drawstrings are back, like for real. Now, some people have been wearing them up a little higher. I wanted to do like a low pony. And I don't know if I mentioned, I know I didn't mention it. That Cream of Nature Snot will have your hair so hard, like cement. Like, your hair will be all the way laid. So I did put it right here, but this morning I just put a tad bit of gel. I mainly put it like right here because if you put it on your baby hairs, baby hairs, like I wanted flexibility to like do them again in the morning basically. And if I would have put that snot, oof, I would not have been able to get it off. So as you guys saw in my last video, that was my sleek ponytail hack. You basically part your hair and you pull it back in sections. Like, my hair was freshly washed, so it looked shorter and it was like frizzier and poofier than normal. Usually I would do this with my hair stretched, but that is my hack, whether your hair is stretched or not. So that's really all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys like my look. I'm going to play with this light real quick because it's driving me crazy. Is that better? I'm still working on my lights. Y'all gonna have to work with me this morning. Try not to wake my husband up. But I love this ponytail. Like, I think I'm here for it. I think I'm feeling confident enough to wear this to work today. Like, and shout out to Get Sassy Beauty Supply Store. It is a local beauty supply store in my neighborhood, Chandler, Arizona. And This wig actually comes, this is Eve Hair Ink. And as you can see how she has the ponytail up. Now if my hair was black, I would absolutely do a higher ponytail. But since this has like a little bit of black, a little bit of brown, okay, there you go. Now you can see how dark the hair is. That's the only thing I don't like, which that was my fault. I picked this color and I was like, yeah, this is gonna work, but this dark is way darker than my roots. So that's the only thing I don't like. But again, that was my fault. But this ponytail color is P4, 27, and 30 because my highlights are 20, my hair is a 27, my highlights are, my highlights are 27, my hair is a number 30. I thought it would work, but I didn't realize what P4 was. And so to me, it's pretty much black, like dark black. It almost looks like a 1. But the other colors that it comes in is 1, 1B, 2, 4, F1B, 27, F1B, 30, F1B, burgundy, 47, 27, F4, 27, F4, 30, and then the one I'm wearing now, which is P4, 27, and 30, which you can see the 27 and the 30 highlights in the hair. But I don't know, guys. Like, what do you guys think? Let me show you how long it is. Well, thanks guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video isn't super long, but again, get Sassy Beauty Supply Store. It's located in Chandler, Arizona. It's a black-owned company, and they actually, I think I'll be partnering with them to do more reviews from their store and so on. And I am here for the drawstring era, so you guys will definitely see me with some more drawstring ponytails. And if I can find a bomb one that looks perfect with my color, I want to do like a sleek straight one, like straight horsetail straight one. But for now, this one is definitely gonna work for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, let me know.